Welcome everybody. Today's going to be the day I'm going to be sticking a radio in my 300Z. So I've been driving my project car for a few weeks now. It's been running pretty well, but there's one thing missing. All I can hear is the exhaust, which is okay sometimes, but after a while it gets a little tiring. So I got this CD player that I got for free, and I'm going to be sticking it in my project car. So today we're going to go over that installation. So the last time I've installed one of these was about in 2005, I think. I don't even know at this point like what aftermarket stereos people are putting in cars, but what it does have is a sweet CD player, so hopefully that comes in handy. One thing that's kind of nice about this is it has a wiring diagram on the back of here that should help us get this thing wired up. In addition to the stereo, I don't have any speakers in the car, so I'm going to install some speakers that I got off Rock Auto. These are just going to be some 6.5-inch speakers, so we'll see how those work. So I'm just taking this like bezel part off. There was 2 bolts in the top here that were a 10mm, and then there's 2 screws down here as you pull this tray out. So there's only 4 bolts holding it in. There's still some wires connected to the cigarette lighter, so I can't get it all the way off. This must not have been the stock stereo, which is odd for as bad as it looks, but anyways, it looks like they just used like some plastic there that they painted black to go around it. I might be able to actually reuse that, we'll see, but I'm just basically gonna start taking these wires off and get this thing out and see if we can get the new one in. So I'm here in the midst of this wiring mess. I think I got this thing figured out. When I turn the key on, I don't know if you can see that, this is turning on, so I think I got the wiring right. However, it's not doing anything. I even got a CD to put in here and it wouldn't play it. I can't change it to the radio. It doesn't really matter what I do, it just keeps flashing disc. So to be honest, I don't know if this stereo actually works. I actually do have one other stereo that I have laying around my house, and so I'm gonna grab it and try it, see if the same thing happens. If that's the case, it's probably something I'm doing with the wiring, or maybe we'll get lucky and that one will work. Good news, I rewired this new stereo, and I don't know if you can see there, so it's working. I have it on a radio station. I probably can't play the music too much or else I'll get in trouble, but anyways, it's playing music, so we're making progress. So what I know now is I got the wiring at least correct, and if I continue just wiring up the speakers, everything should be good. So I'm gonna just spend some time wiring this up and then I'll check back in with you. So I got the stereo all wired in. I have one front speaker, both back speakers are wired in, as you can see. The passenger speaker is missing, and part of that is because the mounting plate that goes there, I don't know where it's at, so I'll keep looking around for that, but for now we're just gonna, what I need to do with this is basically find a way to tuck all those wires back in there so that I can actually get this in, and then secure it in a way that it doesn't fall out every 2 seconds. Well, I think I got this thing about as good as I'm gonna get it. If I turn the car on, you can see it kick on. It's working. Downside is it looks about like the rest of the car, which is not so great. I got 3 out of the 4 speakers working. That one, the only reason I don't have it is I need some kind of adapter to be able to hook the speaker up into that frame. I even got this door panel back on. I still need to put the handle on there. My goal with this car is not to restore it to its once former glory, but just to make it a little bit more livable when I do drive it, and all these little things help. For example, my next video is probably going to be me installing that sun visor up here so that I'm not blinded every time I drive this thing. I appreciate everybody for watching. Please remember to like and share and subscribe and all that stuff, and we'll see you next time.